Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i. By default, to call Siri, you need to press 2 times at the touch areas on your left earbud. Touch areas located at the back side of the earbuds, and it have this SOUNDCORE logo. So you just press 2 times, 1, 2. And as you can see, Siri is awake. But also I want to show you how to change it. Open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and then go to the controls. And as you can see, it's set for the double press, but you can select another adjuster. So let's say you wanna add it for the right earbud for the single press. You just tap on it, and then select Siri. And now let's check it. I press 1 time my right earbud, and as you can see, I also call a Siri. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!